Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can delete watch history on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. You need to open your TikTok application. From there, you need to tap on the profile. So once you tap on the profile, you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you need to tap on setting and privacy. So once you tap on setting and privacy, all you need to do is to scroll down a bit and you will find activity center. You need to tap on activity center and here you will find watch history. So you need to tap on watch history. From here, you need to tap on select at the top right corner. And here you can either select a video that you want to remove, or you can either select all watch history. You need to select that one and all watch history will be removed. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on delete at the bottom right corner. You need to tap on this one and delete watch history from the past 180 days permanently. And you need to tap on delete. And here, as you can see, your watch, there is no watch history available. All the watch history has been removed. So guys, this is how you can remove or delete your watch history on TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.